Hello Model Ayers and welcome back to another video. In today's video, it is the first club event of the year. It's February 28th and we are headed up to the Middle Creek Wildlife Preserve in Stevens, Pennsylvania. This is an annual tradition for our club. We always go around this time of year to see the snow geese come in, so I hope you enjoy the video. buildings, as we'll somewhat see. We'll just be passing through, but it's also home to the famous Last Chance Garage, where a lot of antique cars go to get repaired. We won't be passing it, but I will be doing a tour of that in the future. Approaching the US Route 30 business, aka the historic Lincoln Highway, and we're about to go across it. So US 30 business is the true Lincoln Highway, but if you go up a little further, which you'll see, there's the bypass, which bypasses all this, but I don't mind taking it. It's not as efficient, but it just reminds you of a time when things were... Okay, we've arrived at Sonny's. I had to drop off some tomato sauce to him, but unfortunately he won't be able to join us on the run today. Let's get his tomato sauce.
All this noise.
There he is. Say hello.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, and we're off. Pennsylvania. It's about 40 miles, I believe. You can see we have our tour leader in his 1931 Cabriolet. And we only have 2 Model A's, myself and Don, and then we have our president, Dominic, behind us in modern mode. Day out. We've had a lot of snow these past few weeks, but today first of all, never into Model A, and not where we are. We've been 23 miles so far, and I believe that the destination is about 40 miles from where we started. So it's been a good run so far. I mean, we have a great weather. And it's always just great to get together with the Model A Club after a long winter's rest. This is really the first kind of official run that the Activates has had. Now we only have 2 Model A's, but still. We're almost there. Post office for Oakland, Pennsylvania. And we're crossing over Middle Creek right now. You can see that sign. Wow. This is the Middle Creek Reservoir. Middle Creek Wildlife Management Area, that's where we're going. So I've been told that there's around 60,000 snow geese here, so we'll see if we're lucky enough to see them. And we're here. 33.2 miles on the odometer. We're at the museum part of Middle Creek. There's the reservoir over there.
Also, we have like a screen
Really neat. There's this whole exhibit here about conservation officers, Pennsylvania Game Commission. Look at that. That could be a Model T. I don't think it is. Yeah, I think it is. Look at that antique typewriter, all the uniforms. Oh, look at this. Neat. Okay, we are headed back from the run to the Middle Creek Wildlife Preserve. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.